Well, g'day guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are changing a fuel filter on the Colorado. So this the beast is really dirty, but I am led to believe there is a fuel filter somewhere there. So we're doing this together, guys. We're learning as we go. Let's get down here, have a look, see. And supposedly there's the fuel tank, which means there's a fuel filter. No, it's over here. There it is. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but there's the fuel filters. There's two of them. And my goal, nice to rest. My goal is to see if I can do it with the car on the ground. Oh, what I do? There's my 27 there. It looks like it'll fit, but if I actually grab the filters, I can try the see if there's a socket that'll fit. So, open up these things. Ta-da! That doesn't look like 27. Does it? It is. It is. There you go. I don't think that looked like it, but there it is, and that'll fit, so that's good. I do have something else that'll... Nope. Bigger, I reckon. Oh, no, we're going to have to... It's 21, isn't it? Sure 21's O2 sensors. Anyway. Well, keep saying what we've got, otherwise we'll just use the socket like it's right there. There they are. Nice and clean. Alrighty, but let's clean up under these things. We'll grab a little bit of the old brake. We'll grab some brake cleaner. Grab a rag, and might use a little bit of degreaser just for, actually brake cleaner's better. A bit of brake cleaner and a rag. Let's do this thing. Not that I expect dust to get in there, but let's want the area clean for when I'm going to put the next ones in. Not so much when I pull these ones out. These should come out pretty clean, but I'm going to put the next ones in. We want that to be okay, so give that a go. Put these bad boy there. And get on it by hand. Oh, look at that. Don't even need anything. And this will probably spew out diesel. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I should do. There we go. So now we just let that run until she runs no more.
3 hours later.
Yep, that'll do it. That's a fair amount of the old diesel, actually. So, like I said, I am about to wash this car, but I thought I would do this first, simply because I don't want to be lying in water, and I wanted to see if I could do it without jacking the car up, which I'm actually winning, except for the side step that I'm lying on is dropping dust in my face everywhere. Oh, there we go. That can happen too. I think that's just held on by. There we go. Oh, this one out too. Some quick squeeze at those. Oh, I just dropped that good one in the... It's all diesel anyway. And you got to say something like, oh, look how bad it was. Oh, it's terrible. Oh, it's overdue. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, it is what it is. 20 newton meters is written on is what we've got to put it in at. I'm using Ryco and the filter number is R2. Let me just catch this on the camera. Filter part number R2833P. Yeah, and these filters were due. Yeah, that's all good. And now I'm gonna, because I did that, I'm gonna line diesel as well. I'll pop this thing in. It just sits there. Push that in. Nice. Ground it. Put this in. $30,000 miles. So if you that low. There we go. Cool. Which is maybe I don't know, it's 50,000 Ks or something. Bad maths. But you know, man, that is a clean my watch. Don't know if I wanted to clean my watch, but I have. So here we go. They were yeah, due for a clean, obviously, but they weren't. Yeah. Well, they're doing the job anyway. That's what they're meant to do, right? But let's I'll show you how to prime the system. So pretty much you just don't start it. So you pop the key in, listen for it. So I'm on, but I'm not starting it yet. There you go. Don't know if you can hear the noise. That's the in-tank pump kicking on. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Same again. Have a listen. Come on, pump. There it goes. Can't hear it anymore, so we'll. Next thing we'll do is we'll start her up. Took a little bit longer to start. Just got to get the diesel through it again. And now we'll just let her idle. We'll sit and idle for a bit and all good. So that's the plan anyway. Well, yeah. Give it a sec. We'll check for drips. And yeah, we'll check the other side closer. It's all looking pretty good. Which is nice. Cool. So anyway, we might call it there. Easy done, right? That's a pretty simple one, and I like that you can do it without jacking the car up, you can just do it. So there she is, the absolutely filthy beast, which I'm about to fix that too. But yeah, it's good. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time on the show.